Dear friends, did you know that people have been gained average 10 to 15 kilos while on isolation? Quarantine 15 pounds of overweight is a result of fear, boredom, and decreased activity. But did you know that over than half of all patients hospitalized with COVID-19 infection worldwide had obesity, and 1/3 higher risk of death? Why it's happening? Obese people have reduced lung function and more inflammation spread in the fat tissue around internal organs, regardless their age. You probably also heard that obese people often have high blood sugar. Initially, the process called insulin resistance noticed. Body cells just cannot process a lot of nutrients, fatty acids coming with the food. Trying to stop this overload of nutrients, trying to stop things to come inside of the cell, the receptors on the cell membrane shut down. Sugars build in the blood. It requires more insulin, but receptors are not sensitive to it. Resistance, even if amount of insulin in the blood is high. By the time the pancreas, where insulin produced, get exhausted, and then production of insulin drops. This is a diabetes type 2, the adult type, the type of obese people diabetes. We also see it, unfortunately, in overweighted kids. But did you know that in present pandemic, quarter of non-survivals had also comorbid diabetes? Diabetic people are prone to infections due to impaired immune response. Sometimes it's a low response because our immunity system cells suffering the same way we just discussed now. And these cells are our guards against of microorganisms. But in some cases, this immune response is hypertrophic, abnormal, due to many metabolic changes. And then life-threatening conditions like cytokine storm, generalized severe inflammatory reaction of all systems and organs of the body occurs. Dear friends, did you notice the vicious cycle? It's a cycle of events which causing one another. Obesity, diabetes, infection, COVID-19, quarantine. Again, obesity, diabetes, infection, quarantine, obesity, diabetes, infection. What to do to stop this vicious cycle? First of all, to move. Whatever you can. You can do anything from gardening to running and dancing. Anything you can do. Second, the diet. Cut sweets, cut fat. My own tip, I just don't buy sweets. Do not buy things which are not suitable for your diet, for the diet plan you choose for yourself. Be strong. Try to eat proteins like white meat and fish, beans, fruits, vegetables, and drink plenty of water. And the third, one of the key point is make your mind and your soul work. Spend time with your family. Discuss, read, write diaries, poetries, whatever you can, memories. Listen and play the music. Dance. And then we can stop this vicious cycle. Stay safe. Thank you very much.